Today we're creating a futuristic HUD, heads-up display, interface like you see in sci-fi movies. Start by choosing cool tones, cyans, blues, or neon greens. Draw thin line graphics, circles, grids, dials, and bars. Add glowing accents to make elements feel alive. Use smart layering so icons overlap cleanly. Numbers, graphs, and small symbols add authenticity. Introduce transparency and blur effects to simulate glass screens. Finish by applying a light vignette to make your HUD stand out. Perfect for gaming visuals, intros, or tech-themed artwork.
Let's build your future interface.